We got thrown out of the pub because the fucking barman wants to go home. What a twat! I mean, right, let's get serious about this now, shall we?
I can't see it, this is going to go excellent.
I don't know. Serious, mate. No, serious. This world is ruled by 15 people, and I'm not one of them. But I could be. All I need is for everybody in the world to stand up, get their asses out, show them to the satellites and say, fuck this. Fuck my arse, you stupid twat. And I'll be in charge. And we'll all live happily ever after. It's a damn sight better than Tony Blair, Gordon Brown, whatever that twat's name is. And fucking George Bush.
And George's Bush's mush. He can go and jump in one.
George's Bush can fucking tush, mate, I'll tell you. We've had enough. We've had enough of this shit. We've had more than enough of this shit. It's been 2008 years of bollocks from religion. Thank you.
And you ain't ready for us. So take a bus.
No fucker's ready for us. Fucking bus? Bus? Fucking auto better we driving it. We're fucked, man, I tell you. Anyway, there ain't no one left in the world to take over apart from me. I will be the best you've ever fucking seen. I'll be the best you've ever had. I'll be the number one, a big dad. Oh, you know it. Just get out your asses and show it. If everybody in the world goes out tomorrow, bares their arse and screams, I do, I'll take over. I ain't no messing. I ain't fucking about. That's it, man. Vote for me. I'm the number one. You know that.